Good morning, children. How are you? Well, na? Yes, very good. So today I am going to teach you the second lesson of EVS. So many kinds of animals. But let me ask you something, children. How many of you like to go to circus, zoo, park? Maybe you all, where you saw different kinds of animals. Some domestic, wild animals, large and big, and some are huge and some are tiny also. Correct, na? So, today we are going to learn about the so many kinds of animals. Can you tell? You will easily recognize the animals in the picture. Tell their names and their special features. So, observe these pictures. Which type of animals you are seeing here? Yes, elephant. Elephant, it is a very large and huge animals. Parrot, sparrow, deer and snakes. And their special features also you know very well. Animals, it is you carrying heavy load. It is a wild animals, sparrow and parrot. So you must have understood. Now see further. Can you tell? Name us animal that fly in sky. Which animals fly in the sky? Yes, of course. Birds, bats and insects. Animals that live in water. Yes, give me answer. Which animals live in water? Yes, fish, frog. And crocodile, sea, snake also. Turtles may stay in water but they cannot breathe in water. After that, animals they are black. There are so many types of animals. They are black in color. Buffaloes, crows, bears, some dogs and some goats also. Getting? After that, animals that have many colors. Which are there? Yes, of course. Peacock, colorful birds, butterflies, they are having different colors na? Colorful animals. Very large animals. Just now I given two example large animals. Yes, elephant, bull, buffalo, hippopotamus, rhinoceros. It is a very large and very tiny animals. Tiny means small one. Which one? Ants, gnats, mosquito, etc. You have understood? So now see further different animals. There are different types of animals in our surrounding. Right, everybody? Different animals have different colors also. Some animals stay on land while some stay in water. And some animals fly high in the sky. So observe this picture. See here. An eagle fly high in the sky. Eagle fly high in the sky. A cow walk on the ground. See, cow, dog, buffalo, they walk on the ground na. And see, fish. Fish swim in water. We are different colors means different animals have different colors. All animals not having same color. If you know very well, the egret is white. See, the color of egret is white. The crow is black. The buffalo too is black. See here, buffalo का color black रहता है ना. But the peacock has many different colors. See, peacock has so many different colors. After that, we may be big, we may be small. Means size of animals are also different. The horse and the bull are large in size. The goat and the dog are of medium size. The mouse and the squirrel are small. See, horse, it is what? Large animal na. Goat, dog, medium size animal. And the mouse and the squirrel, it is a very small. Getting all of you? Now see here. The earthworm and the cockroach are smaller still. See, cockroach, you know na very well, cockroach, earthworm. Gnats and ants are very tiny indeed. Gnats and ants are very tiny indeed. Gnats means it is a one type of snakes. See here, GNATS, it is a one type of snake only. So size of animals are also different and colors also different. Now see, some animals are huge while some animals are tiny. Which animal run very fast? Which animal run very fast? Yes, cheetah, tiger, leopard, deer, black. Yes, run very fastly. Which animal move very slowly? If you remember the story of tortoise, then yes, elephant, tortoise, bears, they run, or we can say move very slowly. They cannot run, they move very slowly. We move in different ways. Now see, a squirrel is a small animal. It is nimble. It climbs up a tree quickly and swiftly runs along its branch. See, it is a what? Squirrel. It is a very small animal. You can say, and it's nimble. Nimble means what? Quick to move. जल्दी से क्विक करता है. It climbs up a tree quickly and swiftly runs along its branch because it is a very small animal. It climbs up tree quickly and jump one branch to another. See, after that, elephant. The elephant body is bulky. It is, see, the body of elephant how it is. It is a very bulky, heavy, we can say. Its legs are very heavy. So elephants can't run very fast. The elephant cannot run at any great speed. Getting? Now see, deer. The deer has thin legs. It runs very fast. See, the legs of deer how it is. It is a very thin, पतले पतले ना इसके legs. So it runs very fast. After that, see what it is. Frogs. Yes, a frog's hind legs are long, so it can easily hop, jump and leap. So it can jump very easily. Some animals can move. So in movements of animals, some animals can move quickly and swiftly, while some animals move very slowly. Every animal moves according to its body size and body parts. Got all of you? Now can you tell why do we keep cows? हम cows क्यों पालते हैं? You know the very well why we need cows. The cows give us milk. We need no milk every day. We need milk and milk product. For example, milk product what? Curd, butter, cheese, ice cream. We are getting from cows, and cow give us milk. Name some other animal that are useful to us. Likewise, so many other animals also. Yes, give me name very fast, student. Dog, cat, cow, buffalo, sheep, goat, so many camel, donkey, etc. are useful to us. Why do we not like it if there are mice or bedbugs in our house? Because it destroys our food grains. You find us useful. See which type of animals is very useful to us. Some animals is very useful for us. People love to keep animals. It is correct na? Some people they are love to keep animals. The dog guards our house. People like to keep cats too. Cows, buffalo and goats give us milk. Just now we saw over here the cow, buffalo and goats give us milk, and the dog guards our house. Some people keep hens also. Why? We get meat, milk and egg from animals. So people love to keep animals. Plugs help with farm work. See here. This plug help in farm work. Hitched to a cart, they can draw heavy burdens too. See here, heavy burdens hitches to a cart. Horses and donkey too are used to carry burdens, or we can say load. In second standard also we have learned the donkey, camel, elephant, horses, they are carry burden, heavy loads. See, horses and donkeys are used to carry burdens. We look after the animals we keep. Yes, of course, you are look na whichever animal you keep for you, you take care na. We feed them, उन्हें खाना देते हैं, उनकी टेक केयर करते हैं. We take care of them when they are ill. एंड व्हेन दे आर इल, हम उनको जब वो बीमार होते हैं तो उनकी टेक केयर करते हैं. द एनिमल्स वी कीप become very dear to us. So that's why which animal we keep, it's become very dear, जो हमारे बहुत ही नज़दीक होते हैं, पसंद करते हैं, dear. We the gate crasher. Now see which animal gate crasher. Observe this picture. Some animals enter our houses even though we don't want them. Which are there? Yes, mice, rat. Destroy store grains beside naming other things in the houses. Mice and rats destroy the store grains. They knowing a different things are our house and cause damage. And they spoil the food also. Sometimes we find bed bugs in our house. They suck our blood. And bed bugs also. We don't like it if there are mice or bed bugs in our house. Yes, na, we don't like, na. They suck our blood. Mosquito fly nets and cockroach are a noisome too. What it is? Mosquito, flies and nets. They are noise making animals, and these are troublesome animals. They are troubling to us. So we don't want this type of animal. Okay student, only last point is remaining today's videos. So I will not teach you more. I know you are getting bored, na? Or not, or understanding. So it is a last point only. We suckle our young ones. Suckle means what? To take milk from mother breast. See which are there? Which animals? Observe. Suckles animal. See. The young ones of animals like the cow, dog, goat and rat grow up on their mother's milk. These animals called suckles. These animals have 4 legs. How many legs they are having? See here, 4 legs. They have hair on their body and they have external ears. Observe. These animals have 4 legs. They are having hair on their body and they are having external ears. So got all of you? Today's, shall I stop over there? And what is your homework? Today I am not going to give you writing work. So you have to read up to the lesson here. Whatever I taught you today, you have to read it very carefully. And if you are having any doubt, you can ask. Till then, thank you. Very soon we will meet. And remaining part of the lesson, I am going to teach you in next period. Till then, thank you. Have a good day and bye-bye.